Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn how to multiply matrices. So I've already set up a problem with matrices A and B, which are going to multiply together. So the first step is determining the size. So all you're going to do to determine the size is you're going to take rows times columns of each matrice. So here we have a 2 by 2, and B is also a 2 by 2. And to determine if you can multiply, if these two numbers right here, the 2 and 2, are equivalent, which they are, that means you can multiply. And in determine the size, you're going to take these two outside numbers, multiply them together, which is 2 by 2, and that is your size for the resultant matrice. Now, let's get back to multiplying. So, we have 4, -1, 8, 3, times 5, -3, -2, and 10. So these are both 2 by 2 matrices, as in the example. So we're going to have a 2 by 2 result. Okay, so we're going to have one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now, let's get to multiplying. So, in doing that, you take the first row, which is 4, -1, 8, 3, 5, -3, -2, and 10. So, we take 4 and -1, and we're going to multiply it by the first row of matrice B, or first column, excuse me. Okay? So then, we take 4 times 5, and as you progress down to the second thing, you have to add an adding sign. So 4 times 5, and then -1 times -2. -2, oops. Okay, and then you're going to move on to the next thing. So you're going to do 4 times -3. And as we move down to the second position, we're going to add a plus sign. So -1 times 10. See, I'm going down the column, and I'm going across the row, just like that. Okay, for the bottom part, we're going to have 8 and 3. So we're going to do 8 times 5. Move down to the second position, 3 times -2. Then we're going to do 8 times -3. And then we're going to add and do 3 times 10. So after this is just simple multiplication and adding. So 4 times 5, 20, plus -1 times -2, which is +2. 4 times -3, which is -12, plus -1 times 10, which is -10. Then going down, we have 8 times 5, which is 40, plus 3 times -2, which is -6. And then to the next position, we go 8 times -3, -24, plus 3 times 10, which is 30. So now you just add them, and you'll have your final matrice. 20 plus 2, 22. Next position, -12 minus 10, -22. 40 plus -6, 34. -24 plus 30 is going to be 6. Thank you.